All right, guys, we have got a lot to cover, but I've got two things that I want to emphasize on. One of them is coming up tomorrow with the CPI report. Basically, it's going to be based on February, so we're going to see the inflation numbers, and gonna have the guidance on what the Fed will be talking about, or at least when they're going to be starting doing the increase on interest rate. But the other thing, the most important one, is what's going to be coming within a few days. We're talking about energy. I'm pretty sure you can see already on my screen that I already have one of the stocks popping up. Look, everything that I'm about to say in this video, or whatever stock that I'm about to literally talk about in this video, is going to be it's nothing long term. These are taking advantage of a situation or an opportunity that's presenting in front of you. And these are the small caps, because I'm talking mostly about the small caps, and mostly, people that don't have a bigger budget and they would like to really take, opportunity and take profit into these small caps that are growing and going up. And I don't think this crisis is going to end anytime soon, and so that's what I would like to cover in this video. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. I've got CEI open, Camber Energy. The reason I'm talking about energy: Russia, Ukraine. There's a lot of politics, a lot of things going on out there. There are a lot of mixed feelings. Everybody's talking about Russia is invading, Ukraine, and everything else is going on. But we're not going to get into the politics and the nitty-gritty of it. We're just going to talk about what this is causing. It's literally causing the energy to spike. You already know about it. I know about it. So I'm not going to dwell too much on it. But what I'm about to tell you is this crisis, it doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. And for the fact that the U.S. has announced that yesterday, we are banning literally Russian oil energy supply, and we're trying to push the European to do exactly just the same. And even though they're still planning on cutting their own dam, but the most important thing we have to notice here is Russia is one of the biggest, like the three biggest country that literally oil producers in the world. You got the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, you have Russia, and you have the United States. So you cannot really just cut one of the biggest one and we expecting to just be okay. It means that it's literally impossible to be able to cover the world supply without the Russian oil. Even the OPEC president, talked about saying it's just there is not enough oil out there to have 7 million barrels per day if we without basically cutting out Russia out of it. So this is a realistic part of it. Again, I'm not talking about politics, but it's just more like on the energy. This is the realistic part of it. So trying to do that, it's going to affect everybody. You can already see the price of energy is going up, but these are the stocks that I want to talk about. Look, just a few days ago, Camber Energy, CEI, was down to like 43 cents. But just up in the last few, like 2-3 days, let's just say this week, we went up all the way to $1.97. Like literally almost more than 3x, almost 5x, pretty much from the bottom that we've seen. And this is not the end. This is a pullback that we're seeing because, well, maybe some kind of peace talks. Maybe they were trying to figure out what to do. The Russian president is talking about the German chancellor and all that stuff. But still, as long as this war is not ending, as long as there's more sanction coming up, and especially trying to target the Russian energy because this is their bigger money maker, guess what? We should see even higher numbers coming up. Camber Energy, another thing that I want to mention, these are small caps. IMPP, you can see it also from the lower bottom. It was literally 51 cents, and then we went to the highs of $9.72, almost $10 from 50 cents. And we're not done. Now we're pulling back, and it's not done yet. And most of these stock, they actually just react. It's not the good company. I just said these were literally opportunities. So these are plays, we call them sympathy because of everything that's going on. So all you got to do is just watch the crude oil prices. The higher it goes, the better these stocks are going to be doing in the short term. Another one is NINE. This one, NINE. Same thing. Was trading below $1. Guess what? All the way up to $8. Now we're pulling back. We're almost halfway down. But still, Still, energy is not going down anytime soon. It's only the beginning. Literally, it's only the beginning. It's going to get worse. And you want to take advantage of these sympathy plays. Another one, ENSV, same thing. Look, almost these small caps I'm talking about, they were all below $1, 50 cents, 40 something cents, all of them. But they went all the way up to almost $10 in the last few days, and they've already pulled back. But we have not priced in the ban that we just put on oil just yet. We have not priced in any other sanction that will be coming up, especially that we're targeting the Russian oil. We can't cut out one of the biggest gas stations, if I can put it that way, in the world without feeling the ripple effect. It always comes afterward. So just pay attention to these ones, because these small caps have been literally blessing all of us. So if you're in the market, you're trying to trade, there's a lot right there. There's an opportunity. Yes, everything is going. Even if you're looking at the CPI report, but remember, these stocks probably wouldn't even care about the CPI report, because these are just short-term play. And guess what? Another thing is, for all these other opportunities that could be out there, depending on how the numbers are going to be, but these stocks could literally help, or at least push, anyone's portfolio, or at least give you enough to be able to grow. These are like portfolio growth, or growers, or they help grow your portfolio. I can't even talk today. I don't even know what to say because I'm too excited, but they help grow portfolios. But you have to make sure that you don't get too greedy, because just as fast as they go up, you can see just as fast as they went down. So you don't want to catch a falling knife, but you want to make sure you catch the rocket when it's about to take off, or when it's literally just taking off, or right before it took off. So that was it for today. I just wanted to show you guys what's going on, what I've been literally focusing on, and for these short-term plays. And I appreciate you guys always coming to this channel, watching our videos. Thank you for everything you do. As for me, as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.